Hi, so for my charitable organization, I decided to select the Water.org organization in their efforts to combat unsanitary water in third world countries. So their mission is to help third world countries such as Africa, Asia, and Latin America get clean drinking water for daily usage such as cooking, drinking, bathing, and etc. And they also help combat diseases that are directly related to um, the lack of water management, such as fatigue and loss in body motion. And like any good organization, in order to meet these goals, they need to create some form of funding, and they do this primarily through donations from generous families such as you and me, independent owners, from societies such as the Youth Missionary Society, Girl Scout troops, and the National Youth Society. And once they get the necessary funding to from these owners, they use the money primarily to create relief aid supplies such as um, bottled water, plumbing, and they also create digging projects to help stabilize fresh water in the region by finding and creating reservoirs. And they also help educate the society on the importance of clean water. And since this is a nonprofit organization, all the money that's donated goes directly into the organization, and they and the money that we give goes directly in, so it's about over $2 million a year that we donate goes directly into the aid process. So as you can see throughout the website, there's information that basically explains and enhances that there's a need for relief in these third world countries, and it's stated here when it states that water in so then it states that 1 in 10 people lack access to safe water, 1 in 3 people lack access to sufficient plumbing, and women and children spend an average of 125 million hours each day collecting water, which is ridiculous because water should be a daily item and easily accessible to anyone who needs it. So, and they also use images such as this woman to help persuade. And with this data, the organization makes it clear that the accessibility of clean water is posing a threat to society. So a little bit about the actual organization. It was founded in the actual water.org organization was created in 2009, but the actual funding and establishment of water projects, not necessarily from water.org but from other partners and later water.org, started in 1990. And just last year they helped over 3 million people get access to clean water, which is very impressive. And through their efforts to bring clean water to the world and the results that are through these reservoirs, digging projects, and relief supplies, they've developed a strong reputation and have many partners and sponsors such as the National Youth Society and private donors. And again, because this is a nonprofit organization, they all the money that we donate to these donors or to this organization goes directly into the aid and relief supply. And also, according to the UN, water.org and other organizations have done a substantial job in helping to reduce the death rates and help bring healthier lives in third world countries such as Bangladesh and Ethiopia. So I feel that the target audience for water.org are those people who want to make a difference in the world and have sufficient financial funding, like they can donate, but they don't know how to help or unaware of the problems that impoverished countries face. So this water.org lays it beautifully actually by describing the water sanitation problems, like 1 in 10 people lack access to safe water. And they further talk about women and children health, disease that can be caused from lack of water, and etc. And they primarily do this through the use of large statistics to create a logos appeal and through suffering kind of like unhappy photos, like this woman who appears to be in a fatigue state and in an arid climate, which basically enhances her need for the accessibility of clean water. And these statistics and this picture can create emotional appeal as well because it creates a dire situation and a suffering situation. And the Water organization hopes that this will sway people to donate to help save lives. And I feel like the overall presentation of the website effectively portrays the need for clean water in poor countries and lays out a plan to help combat this issue. And is my bibliography. Thank you.